Can you take us through any innovation under digital that you would have tried out or your team would have tried out during the lockdown?
There are some great initiatives that we as a team have been taking up. And I think something which is very close to my heart is the digital initiatives of our team. Uh, we believe that the biggest value add that we provide to our customers is supporting them in their digitization processes, which brings about a huge amount of savings to them on their time, on their overall day-to-day costs, whether it is administrative costs or costs with managing their businesses. Uh, Trade on Net is a very huge success that we've had, and that's something which is very unique to our proposition, unique to our business. Customers see a lot of value add on letters of credit, bank guarantees, imports, exports getting routed through the digital route.
One key leadership lesson that you learned through this whole COVID 19 process?
But every single team which was out there, recognizing that there was a job to be done. I think the biggest learning for me from this has been that it is actually self motivation that eventually comes. So it is also very important to recognize and put the team together. We've been able to kind of connect the entire teams, the entire bank, in fact, on this.
How have the time been for you managing home and office, both from home?
I feel very positive about the fact that the organization has stepped up the efforts to provide anywhere working facilities to our employees, and we have been given VPN access, and also the fact that now these facilities such as CRM through mobile access is also being provided to interact with the customers, even if you are operating from your own home. So initially, I had this sense of missing the office culture, going to an office kind of a thing. And I realized that must be happening to my team as well, and to the group in Daj. So what I did is that, I started initiating WhatsApp calls and group calls with my team members, and, build an operating rhythm so that, we are all focused on our deliverables and we stay connected.
I think the lockdown did not impose very many new challenges, if I may say so. I think the challenge of juggling is permanent to that extent. I think after the first few weeks, once the essentials were sorted, I think it was business as usual, so to say. I think one thing that I do differently today in terms of being able to manage and be a little efficient on my timing is have a handle on my schedule at least one day beforehand. So that's something that I share with my team, my family members, the help at home, so that everybody knows that this is the window which is sacrosanct and I'm not available for anything else aside of work.
You miss the human touch. But I think it's been a pretty seamless transition. It's also been, in the first couple of weeks, I think the only thing that was really different for us was when people were getting adjusted to the new normal, we were already worrying about how do we raise money? What can we do as the government business to be able to contribute to this pandemic, when we actually went about with the acquisition of the PM CARES account, working with the various state governments on the CM Relief Fund accounts, the COVID Relief Funds account, to raise a large kitty of money, which can actually be used for relief work, partnering with key NGOs that are actually doing relief work on the ground. So I think at a time when the world was kind of getting used to the pandemic and people were settling down, we were actually, hustling to get all of that done.
We're very fortunate that as a bank, we've invested in a lot of digital capabilities. So we've been able to continue our work in a pretty much seamless manner. My immediate manager, Ravi, always says, that let's use all the tools that we have and keep learning. So even when our operations our routine operations slowed down a bit, but then we invested the time in learning the newer tools and technologies so that we could leverage them better in our marketing campaigns.